guys, Street right here, back again with another video. And today's video is going to be pretty interesting because I took the tune and the throttle body spacer and I went on and put it to 300, and I just left the intake on the Magnum, and we're going to see how this car performs against the Magnum with just an intake. So basically what this car has is an intake, the spacer, and the Diablo Sport tune. So to perform this test, what we're going to do is 3 runs, 2 30s, and a 40, and we'll see how this goes. What you think?
It's gonna be good.
So to make shit more interesting, we said fuck it. We took off the rotofab intake, and we put the stock one in. So basically the car is fully stocked versus a 300 that is tuned, intake, and spacer. Also, y'all make sure y'all check out my friend's Instagram. His information will be in the description down below. Make sure y'all go show him some love and go follow him. With that being said, let's get on to the video. So now we found out it takes more than just a couple of bolt-ons and a tune for a 5.7 to be able to keep up with the 6.1. That's it for today's video. Give it a big thumbs up. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. Take care. Have a great day.